Today we're going to learn how to breathe to activate your deep core. All right, get into position. Make sure that your lower back is not pressed into the ground, but that it's not arched up very high either. You want a very neutral spine. Try to relax and scan your body for any tension and release that tension. And now I want you to inhale as if down into your lower back and down into your pelvis. Then I want you to exhale, making a S sound, allowing your breath to leave your pelvis first, then your stomach, and then your chest. Again, inhale deep down into your lower back and into your pelvis. And this time as you exhale, making this sound, feel down and right inside the front of your pelvis. It should become firm, but it should not rise by the end of your exhale. That firmness, that's the deep core that we're trying to activate. Those are your transverse abdominis muscles. Inhale, down, deep down into your lower back and into your pelvis, allowing your pelvic floor to relax and expand. Then exhale slowly, making a sound as the air leaves your pelvis, then your stomach, and then your chest. Inhale. Deep down into your back. Exhale. And as you exhale, exhale all the way out, making your exhale longer than your inhale, and feel that firmness under your fingers. Inhale. Deep down into your back. And as you exhale, feel that deep inner core strengthening, activating, and encouraging the healing of the diastasis recti. Okay, we're going to relax and breathe normally for just a few seconds. Now we're going to inhale again, deep down into your lower back.
It's like I only had a few minutes to do, so I just started doing stuff with my group and I just did it just now. This last part.
Exhale, making this sound.
I'm trying to upload this.
Exhale all the way so you feel that firmness.
You want her in here or no?
Oh, it's fine.
Inhale, deep down into your lower back, down into your pelvis. Exhale. Feeling the deep core tighten. Inhale, deep down into your back. Exhale slowly, making this. Feel your deep core tighten. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep down into your back and your pelvis. Feel your pelvic floor relax. Exhale. Exhale, feeling the deep inner core contract and tighten under your fingers. Inhale, deep down into your lower back. Exhale. Feel your deep inner core tighten. Let's relax and breathe normally. Okay, let's inhale deep down into your lower back. Feel your pelvic floor expand and relax. Exhale, feeling your lower abs tighten under your fingertips. Then inhale deep down into your lower back again. This time as you exhale, I want you to feel your lower abs flatten, then your middle abs, then your upper abs. Now inhale deep down into your back. Exhale as you flatten your tummy from the bottom up. Gently draw up your pelvic floor at the beginning of your exhale. I want you to try that. Inhale deep down into your lower back. Exhale, draw your pelvic floor up, flatten the lower abs, then middle abs, then upper abs. Inhale, deep down into your lower back. Exhale, pull up your pelvic floor, tighten it, flatten your lower abs, middle abs, then upper abs. Inhale. Exhale. Give me one last deep inhale, down into your back. And a nice, good exhale. Wonderful. Keep practicing these until it becomes very normal to deep breathe and activate that deep inner core.